This is letter A. A is for apple. Apple is healthy fruit. This is letter B. B is for ball. Ball is round and round. This is letter C. C is for candy. Candy is sweet thing. This is letter D. D is for diamond. Diamond is rare thing. This is letter E. E is for egg. Egg is healthy for us. This is letter F. F is for fig. Fig. This is letter G. G is for garlic. Garlic is vegetable. This is letter H. H is for heart. Heart. This is letter I. I is for ice. Ice is very cold. This is letter J. J is for jelly. Jelly. This is letter K. K is for kiwi. 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 This is letter L. L is for land. 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 This is letter M. M is for mug. 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 This is letter N. N is for nut. Nut is dry fruit. This is letter O. O is for orange. Orange is citrus fruit. This is letter P. P is for pineapple. This is yellow fruit. This is letter Q. Q is for quail. Quail is cute bird. This is letter R. R is for rose. Rose is beautiful flower. This is letter S. S is for sun. 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 This is letter T. T is for tomato. Tomato is vegetable. This is letter U. U is for UFO. 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 This is letter V. V is for vase. Vase is a flower pot. This is letter W. W is for watermelon. It is summer season fruit. This is letter X. X is for xylophone. Its sound is very peaceful. This is letter Y. Y is for yogurt. 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 This is letter Z. Z is for zucchini. It is common vegetable.